What if I told you that your Kia is hiding a set of secret tricks, hacks, and shortcuts that mechanics and dealerships will never tell you about? That's right. The people charging you hundreds of dollars for simple fixes don't want you knowing any of this. Some of these are so effective that car shops have quietly labeled them illegal, not because they'll land you in jail, but because using them means you'll never need to hand over your hard-earned money for something you could fix yourself in 5 minutes. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on 20 of the most powerful Kia tricks that actually work. Buckle up, because this one's going to save you a serious amount of money. Trick number 1. The secret battery reset that clears hidden error codes. Your Kia's computer system stores error codes even after a problem is fixed. If you've ever had your check engine light come back on days after a repair, your ECU might just be holding on to old data. Here's what mechanics don't want you to know. You can perform a full ECU reset without any fancy scan tool. All you need to do is disconnect the negative terminal of your battery, hold down the brake pedal for about 30 seconds to drain any residual current, then wait a full 2 minutes before reconnecting. This forces the onboard computer to wipe its memory and start completely fresh. Many Kia owners report that this alone clears persistent warning lights that mechanics were quoting them hundreds of dollars to diagnose and fix. Try this before you ever pay for a diagnostic scan again. Trick number 2. The window recalibration trick. After a battery change. Every time your Kia's battery is disconnected or dies completely, the auto up and auto down feature on your windows stops working correctly. Your window will go up, but it won't auto close all the way, and the one-touch feature just disappears. Mechanics will tell you the window regulator needs replacing. Don't believe it. There's a simple recalibration that takes about 30 seconds per window. Hold the window switch in the fully closed position for 3 seconds after it reaches the top. Then hold it fully open for another 3 seconds. Release and test it. Your auto window function will be fully restored just like that. No parts, no labor, no bill. Trick number 3. Bypassing the slow crank with a ground strap trick. If your Kia cranks slowly in cold weather or takes longer than it should to start, most people assume it's a dying battery. But 9 times out of 10, it's actually a corroded or loose ground strap. The ground connection is what completes your car's electrical circuit, and when it's even slightly degraded, your starter motor doesn't get the full current it needs. Here's the trick. Locate the main ground strap going from your battery negative terminal to the engine block or chassis. Clean both ends with sandpaper until you see bare metal. Apply a thin layer of dielectric grease and reconnect firmly. This single fix has transformed sluggish cold weather starts into instant cranks for thousands of Kia owners, all for $0. Trick number 4. The sunroof drain unclogging hack. If you've ever noticed water dripping inside your Kia after heavy rain, or caught a musty smell coming from the headliner, chances are your sunroof drains are clogged. Dealers will happily charge you for a full interior water damage inspection. Instead, grab a thin string trimmer line or a long, flexible wire. The kind used for weed eaters works perfectly. Feed it gently down into each of the 4 drain channels located at the corners of your sunroof frame. You'll feel the clog give way almost immediately, and water will start flowing freely again. Run a cup of water through each channel to confirm the drain is clear. This costs nothing and takes 5 minutes, saving you from a potential headliner replacement that can run into the thousands. Trick number 5. The throttle body. Cleaning trick that restores lost power. If your Kia feels sluggish on acceleration, hesitates at idle, or surges unexpectedly, a dirty throttle body is almost always to blame. Carbon and oil residue builds up inside the throttle housing over time and restricts airflow. Mechanics charge between $100 and $200 for this service. In reality, it's a 15-minute job. Remove the intake duct, grab a can of throttle body cleaner from any auto parts store, spray generously onto a clean cloth, and wipe the inside of the throttle housing in circular motions until it's mirror clean. Reinstall everything, perform the battery reset from trick number 1 to clear the idle adaptation data, and your Kia will respond like a completely different car. Trick number 6. The fuel injector. Cleaner shortcut for rough idling. Before you let anyone tell you that you need new fuel injectors, which can cost over $1,000 for a full set, try this first. A high-quality fuel injector cleaner additive poured directly into a nearly empty tank, followed by a full fill of premium fuel, will dissolve carbon deposits inside the injectors over the course of a full tank. But here's the trick that mechanics won't tell you. Do this right before a highway drive of at least 30 miles. The sustained high RPM driving under load actually pushes the cleaner through the system at optimal pressure, making it far more effective than city driving. Rough idling caused by injector deposits very often disappears completely after one treatment done this way. Trick number 7. The key fob signal. Trick for a weak or inconsistent remote. If your Kia key fob has become unreliable, sometimes working, sometimes not, your first instinct might be to replace the battery or even buy a new fob. Before spending a dime, try this. Hold the physical key end of your fob against your chin and press the unlock button. Your skull acts as a biological antenna and can significantly amplify the signal range. It sounds absurd, but it's rooted in actual science involving tissue conductivity. Beyond that trick, if the fob works inconsistently, open it up and gently clean the circuit board contacts inside with a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol. Corroded or dirty contacts are the #1 cause of fob failure, and cleaning them usually costs nothing. Trick number 8. The air conditioning refresh. Without a recharge. When your Kia's air conditioning starts blowing warm or slightly off-temperature air, the first assumption is always that it needs a refrigerant recharge. But here's what most people don't know. Kia AC systems have a cabin air filter that, when clogged, reduces airflow so drastically that the system feels like it's lost its cooling power entirely. Replacing this filter, which costs around $15 and slides out from behind the glove box in under 2 minutes, often restores full cooling performance instantly. Beyond that, locate the AC drain tube under the passenger side of your dash and use a pipe cleaner to clear any blockage. Standing water in the evaporator housing causes musty smells and reduced performance, and clearing it is completely free. Trick number 9. The steering wheel vibration. Fix without new tires, steering wheel. Vibration at highway speed is almost always blamed on wheel balance or alignment, services that add up fast. But before paying for either, check something simpler first. Remove each wheel and inspect the backside for road debris, mud, or tar packed behind the spokes. Even a small lump of hardened mud on one wheel creates enough imbalance to cause noticeable vibration at 60 miles per hour. Clean the inside of each wheel with a pressure washer or stiff brush, reinstall, and test. You'd be amazed how often this completely eliminates the shaking. If it doesn't, try rotating your tires front to back before paying for a full balance job. Trick number 10. The brake dust trick that stops squealing immediately. Brake squeal on a Kia doesn't always mean worn pads. In fact, the most common cause of brake noise is brake dust and surface glazing, both of which are free and easy to fix. Start by spraying the brake rotors and pads with brake cleaner while the wheel is removed. After reassembly, perform 5 or 6 firm stops from about 30 miles per hour down to nearly a complete stop without fully engaging the brakes. This process, called bedding, removes the glazed surface layer and redistributes brake material evenly. For new pads in particular, skipping this step is what causes that horrible squeal within the first few weeks. Do this correctly, and the noise vanishes completely. Trick number 11. The hidden TPMS reset button. You probably don't know exists. Tire pressure monitoring system warnings can stay lit, even after you've properly inflated all 4 tires. Mechanics will hook up a TPMS reset tool and charge you a service fee. Here's the secret. Most Kia models between 2010 and 2022 have a TPMS reset button located under the left side of the steering column near the hood release. Hold it for about 3 seconds until the TPMS light blinks 3 times. Then drive for at least 10 minutes above 25 miles per hour. The system relearns the sensor positions and clears the warning on its own. No tools, no dealership, no charge. Trick number 12. The headlight restoration trick that beats. Any yellowed, hazy Kia headlights reduce your nighttime visibility dangerously and make your car look years older. Headlight restoration kits cost anywhere from $20 to $50. But here's a trick that works just as well and costs almost nothing. Regular whitening toothpaste. Apply a generous amount to the lens surface and rub vigorously with a damp cloth in circular motions for 2 full minutes. Rinse off and repeat. The mild abrasive in the toothpaste polishes away the oxidized layer just like commercial compounds do. Finish by applying a coat of paste wax to protect the lens afterward. Your headlights will be crystal clear, your nighttime driving will be safer, and you spent maybe 30 cents. Trick number 13. The power steering wind fix with a single additive. If your Kia has hydraulic power steering and you're hearing a whine when turning the wheel, especially when cold, mechanics will start talking about pump replacement. That's a several $100 job. Before going anywhere near that, add 1 small bottle of power steering stop leak and conditioner to your power steering fluid reservoir. This product restores dried and shrunken seals inside the pump and rack, which is almost always the real cause of that whining noise. Drive normally for a day or two. In the vast majority of cases, the noise reduces significantly or disappears entirely. A small bottle of this additive costs under $10 and takes 30 seconds to pour in. Trick number 14. The free fix for a rattling heat shield. A rattling sound from underneath your Kia that only appears at certain RPMs or when the car is fully warmed up is almost certainly a loose heat shield. These thin metal shields surround the exhaust system and catalytic converter, and their mounting tabs corrode and break over time. Mechanics sometimes want to weld or replace them entirely. Instead, locate the loose shield, slide a hose clamp around it to secure it against the exhaust pipe, and tighten it down. A hose clamp costs about $1 at any hardware store. The rattle disappears completely, and the fix lasts for years. This is a 5-minute job that mechanics routinely add labor hours to unnecessarily. Trick number 15. The transmission shutter cure at a fraction of the cost. Kia's automatic transmissions, particularly the dual-clutch units found in models from 2011 through 2016, are known for a low-speed shudder or vibration when pulling away from a stop. Dealerships often recommend a transmission flush or even a clutch replacement. Before spending thousands, try a full transmission fluid drain and refill using the exact OEM-specified fluid. Many of these shudder issues are caused by incorrect or degraded fluid rather than mechanical failure. Drain the old fluid through the drain plug, refill with the correct spec, which is readily available at any auto parts store, and drive for about 50 miles. The shudder resolves in many cases once the fluid is correct and fresh. Trick number 16. The oil consumption trick that buys you time. Kia's Theta, two engines found in models like the Optima and Sportage from 2011 through 2019, are known for oil consumption issues. If your Kia is burning through oil faster than it should, adding a half quart of high-mileage oil with seal conditioner on top of your regular oil level, not exceeding the maximum, helps keep piston rings pliable and reduces blow-by that causes consumption. Additionally, switching to a slightly higher viscosity oil within the manufacturer's approved range, such as moving from 5W20 to 5W30, creates a better seal around worn rings. This doesn't fix the root cause, but it can dramatically reduce consumption and extend the engine's functional life while you save up for a proper repair. Trick number 17. The defrost wire repair. That takes 10 minutes. A broken rear defrost line leaves you with a strip across your back window that doesn't clear in winter. Replacing the entire rear window is obviously out of the question, but many people don't know there's an incredibly simple fix. Defrost Grid Repair Paint, available for under $10, is a conductive silver compound that you apply directly over the broken wire using a thin brush or the included applicator. Let it cure for 24 hours and your defrost line works perfectly again. You can identify exactly which line is broken by holding an AM radio receiver close to the window while the defrost is on. The static changes noticeably right at the break. Trick number 18, the cold start smoke fix that requires no parts. If your Kia puffs a small amount of blue or white smoke on a cold start that disappears after a minute of running, mechanics will immediately start talking about valve stem seals or piston rings, both of which are expensive repairs. Before assuming the worst, try this. Switch to a high-quality full synthetic oil with a slightly higher viscosity and add an engine oil treatment with seal conditioner to the crankcase. Run this combination for a full oil change interval. In many Kia engines, cold start smoke is caused by worn valve stem seals that have dried and shrunk, and the conditioner causes them to swell back toward their original size. Many owners report the smoke disappearing completely after this treatment. Trick number 19, the fuel economy trick hidden in your drive mode. Settings. Most Kia drivers use the default normal drive mode and never touch anything else. What mechanics and Kia dealers rarely explain is that your car's eco mode does significantly more than just slightly adjusting throttle response. It also modifies transmission shift points, air conditioning compressor cycling, and even idle speed management. But here's the real trick. Driving in eco mode for the first 10 minutes of every trip, when your engine is cold and running rich, has a disproportionately large impact on overall fuel economy, because cold start fuel enrichment is where most fuel waste happens. After the engine reaches operating temperature, you can switch back to normal with minimal performance difference. Drivers who adopt this habit consistently report fuel economy improvements of 5 to 10%. Trick number 20, the 1-second trick to disable the seatbelt chime permanently. This one might be the most controversial on the list. And a quick disclaimer, always wear your seatbelt. This trick is for situations where the chime activates incorrectly, like when you have a heavy bag on the passenger seat, or when the sensor is malfunctioning and chiming even with the belt fastened. On most Kia models from 2010 onward, you can disable the faulty chime activation by following this sequence. Sit in the vehicle with the key in the ignition but not started, buckle and unbuckle the driver's seatbelt exactly 3 times within 10 seconds. Then turn the ignition to the on position. The chime will sound twice, confirming the setting has changed. This toggles the chime logic and stops false triggers without affecting the belt's function or your safety systems. And there you have it, 20 tricks your mechanic absolutely does not want you knowing. The theme running through every single one of these is knowledge. Your Kia is a sophisticated machine, but it's also a machine you can understand, maintain, and fix far more than any shop would like you to believe. Every one of these tricks has been used by real Kia owners to save real money, and none of them require professional training or expensive tools. If this video saved you even one unnecessary service visit, drop a like down below and share it with someone who drives a Kia. And if you want more tips like these, tricks that put money back in your pocket and power back in your hands, subscribe right now because we're just getting started.